Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to scroll left and right in Notion tables and databases. Start by opening your Notion page with a table or database view. In this example, I'm using a project tracker with several columns. Each column represents a different property like status, priority, or numbers you want to track. Click on any cell inside the table to select it. Here, I've clicked on a cell containing the number 20. The cell highlights with a light blue border to show it's active. When you hover over a selected cell, you'll see an Open button appear that lets you expand the full page view. This is useful if your cell contains a lot of content or you want to see the entire page behind it. To edit cell contents directly, click inside and clear the existing value. The cursor appears and you can delete what's there by selecting All or backspacing through it. Type your new value. Here I'm entering 0. The number appears in the cell as you type it. Continue typing to complete your entry. Now the cell shows 20 again, and your change is saved automatically. Notion saves every edit in real time, so there's no save button to click. On a trackpad, use a 2-finger swipe left or right to scroll horizontally through your table columns, the same gesture you'd use for browser navigation. Columns pinned on the left will stay visible while you scroll through the rest. You can also hold Shift while using your mouse wheel to scroll horizontally. The horizontal scroll bar at the bottom of the table lets you drag left or right to navigate quickly between columns. And that's how to scroll left and right in Notion tables. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.